Oh, wow. Wow, this is incredible.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Onigin damizi body, onigin dogo, o temi saye o fún mi lọ́kà jẹ, onigin jẹyẹ tán, onigin jẹ kan sí, onigin ṣe yẹn tán, onigin ṣe kan sí. Baby, na so you dey do me, that thing you do before, I like the feeling.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Your boy Pare in the building, and I'm back again with a brand new video. So today I know you're asking, come on, what's happening again? What's happening? Do you know I've been in the UK for over 8 months without a typical African food? 8 good months. When I mean a typical African food like this, I've never had such for over 8 months now. So today I told myself I'm gonna force myself to cook this egusi soup. So first of all, I'll go to the nearest shop and buy all the food stuff. Then I'll hit the kitchen. So if you are a lady watching this video, you better come with your pen and biro, as Chef Pare will show you guys how to cook egusi soup. So let's go.
On God, I dey walk, I dey go. Obani Koro, they look for where to chop. All of day, conductor, taxi driver, he dey owe am 250 naira. He never get something to chop. Ekori.
So guys, after coming back from the market, I cut my okra into smaller particles. Then you can see I'm currently cooking my meat. You can see my oil, then the onions, and this is my egusi. Then finally, this is gari. I'm gonna eat this with gari. So the next thing I'll do is to add my red oil. This is a red oil. You now add your onions. So this is my onions. So after like 1 minute, I'll add my okra. Then I stir it and leave it for some time. So I will now transfer the okra into a small plate. As you can see. I bring my meat into the pot. Then I add my melon. Then I stir everything together. And I cover the pot. So the next thing you want to do is to transfer your okra to the pot. Then you monitor it and see if you probably need some water. You can add some water into it. Then you add your pepper or chili, as you may call it. And then this is Maggi. We call this Maggi. You can see it. Then I add some salt into it. My God, this is gonna be palatable. And you stir everything together. Oh, wow. Wow, this is incredible. This is incredible. My God. You can see, soup is ready. Then I put it off.
I dey walk my way. I dey look for the place. She dey look at my place. She won't follow me play. One boy they shout up never. The other they drink it pure water. One woman they sell the pure water. She say you must call me later. Baby ni go. Jara wada go. Fuen shole washo go. Mo ní fẹ́ rí gan. Ọmọ ìyá